Alright, quick message before the video starts. My audio did mess up in the first half, but after 2 to 3 minutes it should fix. But yeah. The first thing I just want to say is I started off here in the good old GRP, the community plaza, whatever you want to call it. And I just started a booth. Now, I bought the... My bad, cuh. No! Alright, without interrupting. So, what I did... Brother got me at gunpoint for this booth. What I did is... I put up a booth like this. Now, this ain't really anything. I'm about to get a commission right now. This is living proof that this is how you get commission. This is not even scripted. Alright, sorry about that. So, to get commissions, you just want to open a booth like this. Now these are some of my old works, so I haven't actually been to the Recruiting Plaza in a while. With the community, I keep calling it the GRP, but it's the Community Plaza. But you just want to open a booth like this, and this is a great way to start, because this is just showing people your work in a public place, and you can talk to them, negotiate prices, all that pretty easily here. I'm not going to say you're going to get a lot of commissions here. I definitely didn't get a lot when I first started. I would probably get 1 to 2 every day, and that was because I used to sit here for like hours. Like I would literally just like be watching YouTube and then like have this going on my laptop in the background. But if you want to open a booth like this, this is a great place to start. But you might not have work already made, so if you don't, one thing I used to do is I used to just go up to people and say like this guy, I used to go, hey, you want a free GFX? And then I would offer him one. Batman's been AFK for about 11 minutes, so I'm not gonna talk to him, but you just go up to people and talk, hey, want a free GFX? I'm trying to learn. Or don't even mention that you're learning, just say that you're gonna make a free GFX. And just get that done and get some work in your portfolio so you can post stuff like this. I recommend putting icons up here so that, you know, it doesn't stretch out the photo or distort it, anything like that. But yeah, this is where I started, and I think this is where some of you should start. Very great place. I met a lot of longtime customers here, so this is my first recommendation. Other than that, I have a few servers to recommend you guys so that you guys can get started posting some ads there. So these three are the main three that I use, Hidden Devs and the GRP. And if to post an ad, all you have to do is go into advertising and go into the hire me. And you just want to hit a new post and you just want to make something. Now, here's mine. It's pretty simple. I mainly just let my work speak for me. So if people like my work, they can DM me or just type in here. And if you just want your advertisement to go up top and in front of all of these, just hit boost and it just goes to the top. But that's pretty much it for their Plaza Connect at the Community Plaza, whatever. But moving on, the next one is Rodevs. For Rodevs, it's a little bit more complicated. They post the ads for you, so if you go all the way down to for hire, as you already have 2 open tickets, but they will post stuff for you already. Now here's mine up here. It's the same as the GRP one. This one's nice because you can set your price already, and people can also leave reviews for you. I don't think I have any because all my transactions are through my server. But people can post reviews for you, and it's just like very nice quality. People can't spam their advertisements, so I think this is a great place to also start off. So fun fact about Rodevs is you actually have to apply to post ads. And all you have to do is go into the community category, go down to bot commands, and all you have to do is hit apply, and type in apply, and then you just want to do that, and little DM would come through, and you just want to go through all of that. It's pretty simple, but once you get your role, it's going to take up a day or 2, I think mine took. But once you get that, you can then hit post, and then it will walk you through how to make a post. I'm not going to go through my DMs, because I think you can figure it out yourself. It's pretty easy. But the last one is Hidden Devs. Now, I actually haven't gotten verified on Hidden Devs yet. Mainly just because I'm lazy. But they also have their own hiring. So if you don't want to make a post and you're just looking for people, potential jobs. I don't normally like to go into graphics hiring for other servers too, including GRP, mainly just because they're open, and if they're not recent, then they probably already have someone working on it. So I don't recommend going to that. But they also have a for hire, so if you want to post an ad here, go ahead. Again, you have to verify. I haven't gone through the verification process yet, so I can't really tell you how to get there. But yeah, these are the main 3 servers I would recommend looking for jobs and posting your advertisements. For prices, I think that's totally dependent on you, but I really would not go any lower than 150, because starting off, your work is, not going to be top quality, but it's also not going to be junk. So you want to respect yourself a little bit. I started off at 100, mainly just because I wanted to get more work in my portfolio and practice my skills. But it's totally up to you. 150 would be my range if don't go lower. But if you want to do what I did and just go lower, you can, but I think 150 is a good starting price. But if you have any questions about finding commissions or how I made my ads or anything like that, my Discord will be below. Shoot me a DM or ask the question in the server. I'm always down to answer questions. But that's about it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.